Hi guys, this is a short video to show you how to share a doc on Google Docs on your iPads. So first you're going to start in an open doc in Google Docs. You can open any Google Doc you have completed or you are currently working on. Once you're there, what you're going to do is you're going to tap on the three dots in the upper right hand corner. You'll see right here this arrow is pointing to them. Okay. Next, a new menu will appear at this time, and you're going to tap on the Share and Export button. Then another window will open. You're going to tap on the Share icon. It has a little person with a plus sign next to it. Last, a new window will pop up. You can type in the email address of the person you would like to share with or type in their name. You can tap the blue send button to finish sharing. Now there are a couple extra things you can do on the screen that I just wanted to talk about. Because we are all part of the same school district, when you are typing in an email address or name, if you are going to do the name, it should show you all the students and staff members in our district, so you really can just go with a name if you don't know the email address. You can type a quick message like, hey, look at this, could you edit this, whatever you want to say in your message, and you would do that like right here. And the last thing I wanted to point out is this button here that says editor. If you send your document to someone and you leave it as editor, that means that they can click into your document and they can make changes. If you want them to see it but you don't want them to make any changes to it, you can push this down arrow here next to editor and you can put view only. So those are just a few other options while you are sharing your docs. I hope this helps.